Have you ever wondered why your body aches after a good workout and how it adapts to the stress of exercise? As you flex and sweat, your body is hard at work, evolving and adapting to the demands you place on it. This is the curious case of body adaptation to exercise, a fascinating dance of biology that plays out within us every time we hit the gym. Our bodies are marvels of adaptation, constantly fine-tuning themselves in response to different stimuli. Exercise is one such stimulus, triggering a cascade of responses across multiple organ systems. From the rapid beating of your heart to the burning sensation in your muscles, each reaction is a step in this intricate process. The body's response to exercise is a complex ballet, involving everything from your cardiovascular system to your endocrine system. It's a process that's as fascinating as it is essential, ensuring that we stay fit, healthy, and ready to take on whatever challenges life throws at us. It's a fascinating process, one that we're going to delve into right now. So, what really happens when you start exercising? Well, let's delve into the science of sweat for a moment. As soon as you begin to exercise, your body springs into action like a well-oiled machine. The heart rate and breathing rate start to increase, a change that might feel dramatic, especially if you've been leading a sedentary lifestyle. But don't worry, this is a normal response to physical exertion. Your heart pumps faster to ensure that more blood is circulated through your body. This increased blood flow is crucial in delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, which are now working harder than usual. This rapid, rhythmic heartbeat you experience during exercise, it's your body's way of saying, we've got work to do. Now, let's talk about breathing. When you exercise, your breathing rate increases too. This isn't just because you're out of breath from the effort. It's actually your body's smart way of ensuring that there's enough oxygen available to create the energy needed for your muscles to keep moving. You see, your muscles are like engines. And just like an engine needs fuel to run, your muscles need a combination of oxygen and nutrients to function. The harder they work, the more fuel they need. When you exercise, your blood vessels also expand, a process known as vasodilation. This is to accommodate the increased blood flow and ensure that every working muscle gets its fair share of oxygen and nutrients. And then there's sweat, your body's built-in cooling system. As your body heats up from the physical activity, your sweat glands produce sweat that evaporates from your skin, helping to cool you down. It's like your body has its own air conditioning system, working to keep your body temperature in check even as you push your physical limits. But that's just the immediate response. The real magic happens when these workouts become a regular part of your life. Now, let's talk about the long-term changes that occur in your body when you exercise regularly. When you commit to a consistent workout regimen, your body undergoes a series of adaptations that are truly remarkable. One of the most noticeable changes is the increase in muscle mass and strength. You may find that tasks that once left you out of breath are now a breeze. This is because your muscles have grown stronger and more efficient, making everyday activities easier. But it's not just about strength. Regular exercise also enhances your endurance. Your muscles become better at using oxygen and your heart pumps more blood with each beat. This means you can exercise for longer periods without getting tired. So whether you're training for a marathon or just want to keep up with the kids, regular exercise can help you go the distance. Now, let's touch on the cardiovascular benefits. Regular exercise strengthens the heart muscle, reducing the risk of heart disease. It also helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. So when you're sweating it out in the gym, remember you're not just sculpting a better physique, you're also fortifying your heart. Another key adaptation is the increase in bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like running or strength training stimulate bone formation. This can help prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. So, in a way, exercise is like an insurance policy for your bones. And let's not forget about metabolic function. Regular physical activity improves insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also boosts the metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're at rest. This contributes to weight management and reduces the risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. These long-term adaptations are more than just physical transformations. They represent a shift towards a healthier lifestyle, a stronger body, and a more resilient spirit. This is the power of regular exercise. These changes don't just make you stronger and fitter, they also contribute to overall health and well-being. But remember, these changes don't happen overnight. Consistency is the secret ingredient in the recipe of physical fitness. Just as a river carves its path through the mountains, not by its power but by its persistence, your body too adapts and transforms not through one strenuous workout, but through regular, consistent exercise. Think of your body as an intelligent machine. When you exercise consistently, it recognizes this as a regular demand and adapts accordingly by enhancing your muscle strength, improving your cardiovascular efficiency, and boosting your metabolism. But if you skip workouts or are inconsistent, the body perceives this as an irregular demand, and these adaptations slow down or even reverse. It's like learning a new language. You can't expect to be fluent after one intense session. It takes time, practice, and regularity. So if you want your body to respond, you need to be persistent with your workouts. So stick with it and your body will thank you. So what can we take away from all this? Our bodies are captivating in their ability to adapt to exercise. As we exert ourselves, the body responds immediately with increased heart rate and sweat production. This is the short-term adaptation, your body's immediate response to push through the workout. The long-term adaptations are even more fascinating. Regular exercise leads to increased muscle mass, improved heart efficiency, and enhanced metabolic rates. These are all part of your body's strategy to become stronger and more efficient, ready to handle future workouts with more ease. The power of consistency cannot be understated. Regular, consistent exercise is the key to unlocking these long-term benefits. It's not about one-off intense workouts, but rather the steady, consistent effort you put in day after day. Remember, your body is an incredible machine. Respect it, take care of it, and it will serve you well.